Hi guys, you are deeply immersed in a welding project when suddenly, there's a blinding, burning light. The feeling of hot sand filling your eye sockets creates a pain that is so intense, you're on the verge of clawing your eyes out. This is called arc flash, and if you've never heard of it, then you may not be aware of just how critical proper eye and face protection is during welding. To ensure that you don't experience the unfortunate consequences of purchasing the wrong welding helmet, we've put together reviews of the best welding helmets available right now. So, let's get started. Number 10, Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. This welding helmet is here with the 34% price off. Now you can get it at around $44. The Auto Darkening Welding Helmet Mask with True Color Real Color technology is the ultimate welding accessory for welders who demand superior visibility and protection. This welding helmet features 4 arc sensors that detect the bright welding arcs. With its True Color Real Color technology, this welding mask provides a clear and accurate view of your work area, allowing you to see the true colors of your materials. The solar cell power source ensures that you won't have to worry about replacing batteries. This welding helmet is suitable for a wide range of welding applications, including MIG, MAG, and TIG welding. Its durable construction and reliable performance make it the perfect choice for professional welders and DIY enthusiasts alike. The next is Number 9, Auto Darkening Helmet. This welding helmet is here with the 20% price off. Now you can get it at around $13. Experience unparalleled protection and convenience with the Auto Darkening Helmet Adjustable Range MIG MMA Electric Welding Mask Helmets. This welding helmet is equipped with an auto-darkening lens that automatically adjusts to changing lighting conditions, providing maximum protection for your eyes. With its adjustable range, this welding mask is suitable for a wide range of welding applications, including MIG, MMA, and electric welding. This welding helmet is designed with professional welders in mind. Its durable construction and reliable performance make it the perfect choice for heavy-duty welding applications. Plus, with its replaceable lens caps, you can easily maintain its performance and prolong its lifespan. The next is Number 8, Automatic Welding Helmet. This welding helmet is here with the 30% price off. Now you can get it at around $11. Using high-quality PE material, it is more resistant to fall, high temperature, good heat insulation, prevents burns to the face, and has a longer service life. Automatic Dimming Welding Mask, protect your eyes, high sensitivity detection head, sensing the speed of light change. The field of vision is very clear before dimming, and the welding position can be accurately positioned. When dimming, it will become dark instantly, filtering harmful light and protecting eyes from harm. Dear, this product is powered by solar energy. If the product you received is not enough light changing, please don't worry, you can let the product charge for a while. If the light changing ability is still relatively weak, please contact me. The next is Number 7, Welding Helmet Welder. This welding helmet is here with the 40% price off. Now you can get it at around $39. Superior CLRITY. The welding helmet features top 1111 optical clarity lens with advanced true color technology and large viewing screen 3.86-inch 1.69. It will vastly improve your vision experience, then you can work efficiently and with precision. Darkening FILTR helmet comes with high-end auto darkening lens with 4 arc sensors that switches from light to dark in 1/25,000 seconds. IPROTCTION. The welding hood achieves safety and efficiency with its smart filters that protect your eyes from intense welding glare. Fully automatic up to DIN 16 at all-time UV/IR protection, it reduces the risk of exposure to harmful light generated by the welding. The next is Number 6, PC Welding Masks Automatic Variable Light. This welding helmet is here with the 54% price off. Now you can get it at around $6. This welding mask is made of anti-drop PC material, with strong toughness, impact resistance. Lightweight design, more comfortable to wear, and will feel not tired after long time wearing. Full lens with higher clarity. The new expansion window on the both sides can provide panoramic true color large visual field, welding more convenient. Heat insulation mask. with high temperature resistant, which blocks arc light, infrared light, ultraviolet and other harmful lights, and also blocks welding slags, avoids high temperature burns, protects your face and say goodbye to arc light hazards. Head-mounted irradiation light, made of polycarbonate material, strong toughness, anti-drop, impact resistance, lightweight design, more comfortable to wear, and will feel not tired after long time wearing. The next is Number 5, New Welding Helmet Welder. This welding helmet is here with the 54% price off. Now you can get it at around $9. Automatic dimming welding mask, protect your eyes, high sensitivity detection head, sensing the speed of light change. The field of vision is very clear before dimming, and the welding position can be accurately positioned. When dimming, it will become dark instantly, filtering harmful light and protecting eyes from harm. The welding mask can be flipped up and down, and the tightness of the headband can be adjusted during use. The thickened forehead sponge effectively protects the forehead from injury, absorbs sweat comfortably and is non-slip. The thickened forehead sponge effectively protects the forehead from injury, absorbs sweat comfortably and is non-slip. Comprehensive protection, but does not block the view. Welding is more efficient and convenient. The next is Number 4, OAU Welding Helmet. This welding helmet is here with the 62% price off. Now you can get it at around $10. The OAU Welding Helmet Welder Mask Chameleon is the ultimate solution for welders who demand superior protection and visibility. This welding mask features a large viewing area with true color technology, providing a clear and accurate view of your work area. With its chameleon design, this welding helmet changes colors based on the lighting conditions, offering maximum visibility and protection. The auto-darkening lens adjusts to the bright welding arcs, ensuring your eyes are always protected from harmful radiation. Upgrade your welding equipment with the OAU Welding Helmet Welder Mask Chameleon. With its advanced features and durable construction, it's the perfect choice for professional welders and DIY enthusiasts alike. The next is Number 3, Welding Mask Solar Automatic. This welding helmet is here with the 20% price off. Now you can get it at around $9. The Welding Mask Solar Automatically Battery Electric DIN 9 TIG MIG is the perfect accessory for any welding job. This welding helmet features an auto-darkening lens that adjusts to changing lighting conditions, ensuring your eyes are protected at all times. Powered by a rechargeable Li battery, this welding mask is designed to be reliable and long-lasting. With its DIN 9 rating, it offers reliable protection for TIG and MIG welding, as well as other types of welding applications. The lightweight and comfortable design of this welding helmet ensures that you can wear it for extended periods without discomfort. Plus, with its adjustable headgear, you can customize the fit to your liking. The next is Number 2, Andeli Auto Darkening Welding Helmet. This welding helmet is here with the 38% price off. Now you can get it at around $80. The Andeli Auto Darkening Welding Helmet is the ultimate solution for professional and amateur welders. This welding mask features a large screen with a 180 degrees view and true color display, providing a clear and unobstructed view of your work area. Equipped with 4 arc sensors and a 1112 optical rating, this welding hood offers reliable and accurate protection from harmful radiation and bright welding arcs. The auto-darkening feature ensures that the screen darkens instantly when the welding arc is detected, offering maximum protection for your eyes. This welding mask is also solar-powered, meaning you won't need to worry about replacing batteries. Plus, with its lightweight design and comfortable headgear, you can wear it for extended periods without discomfort. The next is Number 1, Safe Up MIG Magtig True Color. This welding helmet is here with the 35% price off. Now you can get it at around $38. Auto-darkening welding helmets are designed to protect the eye and face from sparks, spatter, and harmful radiation under normal welding conditions. Auto-darkening filter automatically changes from a light state to a dark state when an arc is struck, and it returns to the light state when welding stops. Auto-darkening welding helmets is designed and equipped with a special turnover headband mechanism. When welder turns over the helmet to welder's head top, the headband mechanism makes helmet's gravity center to be more lower, and be coincided with the center of welder's head. The design of welding helmet greatly lowers the fatigue of welder's head and make welder feel more comfortable than before while at working. So this is the best option for you to buy.